It was a SW10 kitchen, and luckily we are actually in a SW10 display in our Wimbledon show. The clients wanted a very functional kitchen. They wanted it timeless, classic, but also with a twist of modern. So this is why we went with the SW10, which has got a bit of a beading around the doors, which is quite classic and unique. We've got an example here. You can have it with the butt hinges or without it, and you can have it in all the colors that you want. So they went with a studio green, which is quite of a dark green with walnut interiors, and the contrast between the two actually worked really well. And then they went with a terrazzo worktop on the island, which I was quite surprised they wanted to go for. A terrazzo worktop is a cement-based worktop with brown minerals such as marble and granite. And if you look on the photo, it looks beautiful, and you've got that contrast between timeless and modern, which is exactly what they wanted. The SW10 kitchen is handmade in Britain. It can be painted any color, and it's bespoke, so it's a beautiful range for your space.